It is the IATA reference event for the industry, and as an aviation service provider, we are part of that ecosystem, and IATA is basically the framework of that ecosystem. So it's very important for us to stay close.
I think IGHC is one of the really global industry events. This is for us the opportunity to meet the customers from every single region we operate.
To be at the IGHC really means that you get a good feeling for the buzz, what's going on in the industry, what are the trends, of course connect with customers, getting that feeling for the industry so you don't sit in your ivory tower but you get out there. That's what I really enjoy.
IGHC has been one of the milestones for most of the handlers that is enabling to do more business across the board.
Very good networking event that you can collaborate and communicate with all the industry stakeholders.
The networking with different people in different parts of the industries that I otherwise wouldn't have been exposed to without an event like this.
It's the strategic insights and the hands-on discussions you're having here and the contact you're doing with all those other airlines, how they're working on those solutions and on those challenges. And I think so this is really valuable.
So there is a lot of panel discussions and industry experts into what IATA specially standardizes. And it's good, and IATA is keeping growing every year.
One of the main takeaways for us in this event would be to gain as much as possible insight in order to enrich our knowledge database, to add it to our products where we are valuing innovation.
I really like that we are able to mix up airlines, airports, ground handlers, even system providers, and find out what each party needs. The aviation industry can become also a leader in innovation, not just do the old things over and over again in just different ways.
One of the very successful IGHC, and I'm looking forward for the coming IGHC in the near futures.